Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now by getting power and contact integrity right. First, plug the case into USB-C and charge until the LEDs indicate full. This rules out low battery quirks. Once done, wipe the earbud stems and case contacts with a dry, lint-free cloth so they seat and charge reliably. Then put both earbuds into the case, close the lid, and wait 10 to 20 seconds to ensure they register as seated. These steps clear the most common hardware interruptions quickly. Next, you tackle software and pairing. Open the Bose app and install any firmware updates because many audio glitches are resolved by firmware fixes. Updates change internal behavior and improve stability. After updating, forget the earbuds in your phone's Bluetooth list, then repair from scratch to remove corrupted settings. Make sure to toggle Bluetooth off and on your device so cache is clear. Also test pairing with a second phone or tablet to determine whether the problem lies in the earbuds or in your original device. Finish by performing a full factory reset to clear persistent faults. Use the Bose app or the manual reset sequence in the user guide so settings return to default. After the reset, repair the earbuds, play different tracks, and check the microphone during a call or voice memo to confirm both audio paths. If problems persist, make sure the charging cable and ports are good and clean. If nothing changes, contact Bose support for hardware service. This one troubleshooting tip saves repeated trial and error.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.